Once upon a time, in a small village nestled amidst rolling hills, there was a curious young boy named Koji. Koji was full of questions about life and its mysteries. One day, he heard tales of a wise Zen master who lived atop the highest hill in the village. Intrigued, Koji decided to seek out the master in hopes of finding answers. With determination fueling his steps, Koji climbed the steep hill and reached the Serene temple where the master resided. His heart brimming with hope, Koji approached the gentle old man and asked, "Master, how can I find Zen?" The master, his eyes sparkling with kindness, replied calmly, 10 years I resided." His heart brimming with hope, Koji approached the gentle old man and asked, "Master, how can I find Zen?" The master, his eyes sparkling with kindness, replied calmly, 10 years. Frustration flickered in Koji's eyes. "Master, I don't understand. The harder I try, the longer it seems to take. Why is that?" The master, with infinite patience, replied, "When you have one eye fixed on the goal, you have only one eye on your path." These words sank deep into Koji's heart. He realized the wisdom they carried, that focusing solely on the destination blinds us to the journey. To truly find understanding, one must embrace the process with all its twists and turns. Imagine climbing a towering tree, eager to pluck the ripe fruit at the top. If you fixate only on the fruit, you might lose your footing and fall. Instead, focus on the climb itself, each step, the feel of the bark, the sound of the wind. With care and presence, every step brings you closer to your goal. Life, too, is like this climb. If we obsess over the rewards at the end, we risk missing the beauty and lessons of the journey. Whether you're learning a new skill, pursuing a dream, or seeking wisdom, remember to find joy in every step you take. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small, and embrace the effort itself, for often the true reward lies not in reaching the summit, but in the climb that takes you there.